How you doing, guys? This is Eddie Cantu from Ingenious Productions, and thank you for joining me today. In this morning, I'm about to do Wieners with eggs for breakfast. They're good. Olive oil. Just let them get kind of fried, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the eggs to the wieners. Open it up, open the shell up, see? Just like that. It's a real easy and nutritious breakfast, very healthy for your body. Have it at a low temperature, 5.0. Make sure that the egg is fully cooked, okay? Make sure that the egg is fully cooked. You see how this? You gotta make sure it's fully cooked. All that clear. It's a real easy, nutritious meal. Right after this, all you do is serve it right in a plate. Yep, serve it right on a plate. Move it out of the way. That's what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to place the egg with the Wieners right on this plate, all right? And I'm also gonna be having avocado or aguacate. Okay? So here are the Wieners. Just gonna put them right on the plate, just like that. And then the avocado, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. Kind of hard though, but you can just like squeeze it, put it on the side. Hey, you can't have it a ball. See? Good exercise for the hand. You like it? All right. Try the other one. This is fun. The next thing is take avocado out. Just like that. I'm killing it. Okay, guys, that's about it. Then you make a prayer and get the blessings from Jehovah God, our Creator, the Father, up in the heavens. Get the blessings for the food, thanking God, and then you consume, all right? Just keep going, okay? Keep going in life. Never give up to your dreams, all right? So keep going, guys. Now, let's continue to take a bite. Sorry, they're working in the house. Okay? Take a bite. Want a bite? Cook this at home. Very nutritious. Avocado. To drink, water is healthy. But to drink, you can have anything you want to drink. It can be coffee, chocolate, orange juice, or mango juice, whatever you want. You're gonna drink it. It's your meal. So let's continue, guys. I mean, you know, make sure you enjoy it, okay? A lot of people like coffee. In the mornings, a good coffee. A lot of people like chocolate. Others like orange juice. Others lemonade. Others just water. The best of all, water. It cleans your organs inside. But it's up to you. It's your meal. Enjoy your meal with your favorite drink. Right now I have water. That's the only thing I have. I mean, I have a cinnamon tea, but I'd rather have water. So enjoy your meal. The eggs with Wieners. Very easy to prepare at home. Homemade. Better than the restaurants, though. Yeah, better than the restaurants. Avocado is really good. You want some? Try it. Open your mouth. Leave it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Hey, this is really good. This is how you go to your kids. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. The kid's like, I don't want that. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay. They go, I want McDonald's. I want McDonald's. No McDonald's today. Healthy food. Kids are used to all those restaurants, McDonald's. I mean, you know, I don't mind buying McDonald's. They get their chicken nuggets, their meals. No, I want McDonald's. No, I want McDonald's. Nope. You eating what I made at home. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Open your mouth. Hey, you gotta eat what you have at home. Okay? And be thankful that you have food at home. If you have food at home. Because not everybody has food. Okay? There's a lot of people in the world that are starving in hunger. So think about that. Alright? If you got food at home, make sure to appreciate it. Make sure to get it blessed because you never know. Well, this will be it. Enjoy your meal like I'm enjoying mine. Very thankful for it. That's my plate. I just make what I'm gonna eat, okay? I don't like wasting food. If you hear that noise, it's not a bee. It's not a bee. They're working. They're working. They're working in the house, right in the garage. That's what it sounds like, a bee, not a bee. It's not a bee. It's not a fly. Believe me, I don't like flies. I don't. At least I do like the bees because they produce honey. The flies are gross. Yep. Flies are gross. I like the bees. Well, depends on the bee, but you know, the honeybees, I like the honeybees. I got honeybees right on my Ingenious gift shop store, if you want to see the products. Done with my food. Wipe my mouth. Other than that, this is it, guys. Thank you for joining me. Once again, this is Eddie Cantu from Genius Productions. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Make sure to subscribe if you like the content. Make sure to share the video. Make sure to comment if you want to comment or ask questions. Okay? If this is your first time being here on my channel for Genius Productions, well, I want to thank you for joining me. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to share the videos with everybody you know, and I really appreciate your support to my brand or brands. Ingenious Productions, which is my filming company, my filming brand, your brand, and also Ingenious Gift Shop. Make sure to check out those links around in the description box below for Ingenious Productions and Ingenious Gift Shop. They're all .com. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Just keep going, okay? Keep going in life. Never give up to your dreams, all right? So keep going, guys.